In your hair quickly and healthy can be achieved with the help of some herbal oils. And these oils, they are rich in nutrients and promote hair growth. And I'm going to share with you some oils that you can combine for the goodness of your hair. And these herbs, they have nutrients that will nourish our hair. First, I got my sauce pan, and in this pan I'm going to add my base oils. So I'll be adding my coconut oil, my olive oil, and my Labelle's pure authentic Jamaican black castor oil. These oils, they will form my base oil. Then I'll be adding the different herbs, and the first one that I'll be using, or the first herb that I'll be using, is the fenugreek. And what I'm doing with the fenugreek is I'm putting it in my mortar. I'm going to pound it to a powder form. You can also use your NutriBullet to do this, but I'm using my mortar, and I am adding the fenugreek to the oil. Next up, I am using my pimento, pounding it as well in the mortar and adding it to the base oils in the sauce pan. I lightly crush the fenugreek and the pimento berries and the pimento seed in the mortar because this helps to release their nutrients into the oil. I'll be adding them to the oil, putting the oils on low flames. Next, I am using my hibiscus flower. Hibiscus is excellent for promoting hair growth and preventing hair fall and adding shine. So if you want your hair to be shiny, grab some hibiscus flowers. I'm adding some more oil just to get some more mixture, and I am ensuring that they are on low flame. We don't want to make the temperature too high, as this can destroy the nutrients. Once this is done, then I will strain the mixture into my measuring cup just to see how much I have before I store it. But I stir occasionally, and I'm trying to ensure that the hibiscus, it's well, should I say, no, the juice isn't in there, because once the juice is there, then our oil will go bad easily. So I made sure to fry the hibiscus on low flames. Have you leave your thumb up already? If you have not, give us a up thumb and leave your thoughts. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Thank you. You have made my day. Here I'm separating the mixture from the oil using my stocking cap, pouring it into my measuring cup so that I can easily transfer it to my bottle for storage. So I strain the oil using the stocking cap. You can use your cheesecloth to remove the solid particles. Whatever you have, use what you have. And I am adding some essential oil. Here I am adding my rosemary and my favorite ingredient to use, my peppermint, just a few drops. Stir, and just to ensure that the mixture is combined. Then I will pour it into my bottle for storage. So ensure that you have a clean bottle, whether you're going to recycle one, whatever it is. Ensure that you pour it into a clean, dry container, and your oil is good to go. This can be used in your hot oil treatment, or just to add some oil to your hair whenever you want. I just love this mixture, guys. Use what you have and you will see result. Be consistent. Click on the end screen to watch more videos from the channel.